Yo, what's up? So, you remember this phone? Itel S18 small yash they shake. Well, this is the Pro version, and it has bigger specs and whatever. So it's going to be competing with the phone, because this video is a comparison video. And guess the phone is going to be competing with an Infinix device. Surprised, right? Well, Itel is not playing, and they are really going to drag with this device. This is Hot 20i. It's a new device by Infinix. In case you don't know, Hot is budget device for Infinix, so it's not out of place for this Itel to compete with it, and it's a very fierce battle, because you won't believe what this Itel can do. So without wasting too much time, let's get to it. So before I continue and go into the real battle zone, here are some things that are very similar. They're both 5000 mAh. They both come with a 10 watts charging brick, 64 GB ROM for both of them, and 4 GB RAM for both of them. Both of them are expandable to 7 GB RAM. So those are the similarities. They are both also octa-core. I hope that means anything, but you know, let's really put these phones to the battlefield and see what exactly they can do. Let's see how far they can fare. So it's battle time.
Round 1, fight!
Starting with the body build, the Itel S18 Pro has a glossy starry blue color which reflects in the light when you move it from left to right. Under the device, you see what you're already pretty much used to. That's the 3.5mm jack, the charger, the microphone, and the speaker. By the side, it has something I really like. That is side fingerprint scanner and the volume rockers. This makes it look much more like a mid-range or a premium device. The Infinix Hot 20i, on the other hand, has a two-tone gradient back. As you can see, it's glossy, but it doesn't have that shining look. You see the top half is different from the bottom half. It's quite nice, gives it a nice finish. Then it has the volume rockers and the power button on the side. The fingerprint of this one is at the back. It has the same thing of the Itel at the beneath the phone. That's the 3.5mm jack, the charger, the speaker, and the microphone. At the top there's nothing there, and that's all. So I give it to the Itel for this one. So let's power up the device and see which one boots up first. As you can see, the Infinix is done, the Itel is taking forever, so I give it to the Infinix on this one. Both devices are charged to 100%. I hope I remember to check the battery percent after this whole test. So let's begin. So we're going to start first with the refresh rate. Let's see how fast the response moving around. But first, let's clear the RAM to be sure that nothing is obstructing. So as you can see, both of them are moving at the same space. So I give both of them 1 point. So let's open the Facebook app. The Itel is a clear winner. So we move to gallery. Let's see which one opens faster. The Itel wins it again. So let's move to AHA games. We're also checking the time in which they use in booting the entirety. So it's not just about first to open, first to boot. So you can see that the Infinix won that round. So let's move to Calcare app. Let's see which one will be the fastest. And as you can see, the Itel won that. So let's move to the camera app. Let's see which one will open first. So the Itel won this. Then let's move to the clock. Let's see who keeps the time. The ultimate timekeeper. Is it gonna be the Itel or the Infinix? Let's see. Whoa, the Itel was first. Looks like the Itel is going to win this. So let's move to file manager, the app that manages our files. Wow, the Itel is first again. Wow, this Itel is not playing. No. So let's move to calendar, the Google Calendar. Let's see. Oh, the Itel won it again. Then let's go to Chrome. Oh, the Itel won it again. So let's go to FM radio. FM radio. For those of you that like to listen to radio, Itel won just again. Now let's move to iTranslate, the app that helps you to translate conversation. Itel won again. So let's move to maps. At least we use this to navigate. The Itel just seems to be moving at a crazy speed. So let's move to Phoenix browser. The Infinix won this. Let's move to PalmPay, the app that allows you to pay. The Itel won this round. So let's move to Dialer for your calls. The Itel seems to have no chill. Wow. So as you can see now, you see the spreadsheet. The interface looks very much alike. I hope you can see the screen. Everything there is just very similar, just that the Infinix has a higher battery. The screen resolution of the Itel is higher. But just like I said, sometimes you don't have to look at the on paper spec. You have to look at what it can actually do. So just before I round up, let's test the camera. Even by looking at just what the camera screen is showing, you can see that the Itel has this a little sharpness and overexposure, while the Infinix retains the natural color of your picture. So I give this to the Infinix. So here are a few picture samples so you can see and compare by yourself which one is better.
That was a fierce battle. So which team are you? Are you team Infinix or team Itel? And based on this review, you can see the clear winner. There's no Joro there. This is based on what we tested and everyone can see. So which one would you go for? Considering the price, you see the price of Itel is and the price of the Infinix is. Thanks. See you next time. I love you.